Welcome to the Ottawa Christmas Market at Lansdowne Park. In this video, we take you on a festive walk through one of Ottawa's most magical holiday destinations. You will see the charming wooden vendor cabins, sparkling Christmas lights, and the beautiful backdrop of Aberdeen Pavilion decorated for the season. The market features dozens of local artisans, selling handmade crafts, ornaments, winter wear, unique gifts, and tasty holiday treats. We stroll through the central plaza where you will find Sparkle's warm drinks like hot chocolate and apple cider, Sparkle's seasonal foods and baked goods, Sparkle's live entertainment depending on the day, Sparkle's family-friendly decorations and photo spots, Sparkle's cozy fire pits and Christmas-themed decor. The market atmosphere is lively and festive, perfect for an evening out with family or friends. You will also get a look at the surrounding Lansdowne area, filled with restaurants, cafes, and places to warm up after exploring. If you are planning to visit Ottawa during the holidays, the Christmas market is a must-see spot. Enjoy the sights, sounds, and flavors of the season as we walk through this charming winter market. Movie cameras sit back and enjoy the tour. And don't not forget to like and subscribe for more travel and city walk videos.
You never know what's going to happen.
The smell of holiday treats fills the air, from warm apple cider and hot chocolate to baked goods and comfort food. This is a great place to grab a snack and warm up on a chilly night.
The lowdown blues. I got a cotton gin, weaving Spain, shake the dust from my shoes. I made my money, I found me a honey to tickle me under my chin. When morning comes, I ride into town and worry about the shape I'm in. Life for me is a riverboat fantasy, watching the sun go down.
The market really comes alive after sunset. The Christmas lights, festive music, and decorated trees make the entire area feel magical, especially with the beautiful Aberdeen Pavilion glowing in the background. There are plenty of photo spots around the market, including light displays and decorated corners perfect for families and couples. As we enter Aberdeen Square, you can see the classic wooden vendor cabins lined up on both sides. Each one is run by local artisans offering handmade crafts, ornaments, jewelry, candles, and unique holiday gifts. Whether you are shopping, enjoying the food, or just soaking in the holiday spirit, the Ottawa Christmas Market is a must-visit during the holidays. I hope you enjoyed this walking tour. Do not forget to like and subscribe for more travel videos. Thanks for watching.